Here we have any Infinix x612. It won't turn on, just blinking. Just like that. Solution of this phone is just to change this connector, battery connector. This one is damaged one. No need to change the entire battery, just connector. I'm gonna use this one, this connector. This battery is fake, it won't last.
The best software for all types of Chinese phones. The best software for Nokias.
As you can see, the phone is now turning on.
Hii kitu ni ya watts ngapi? Sola
300.
300. Na nikiwa na 500.
Takopo sawa.
Na betri hiyo ya ngapi?
You see, the phone is now okay. If you really turn on, it's working perfectly. The issue is this connector. Only connector, nothing else. No need to flash the phone or put new battery.
Aiongezi hii man.
Even if you try to charge it, it won't work. Showing the blue light and blinking here, disappear. Blinking the charging logo and disappear. It can't charge. And the connector is not matching with the battery, so I have to loop, and I've already looped it. So it's moment of truth now. We're about to test it.
Sawa, wacha tuombe Mungu. Ni kujaribu tu. Sawa.
And boom, the phone is now working.
Unaona vile wana credit.
Just replace the connector. Only connector can fix this problem, not entire battery or flashing. No need. Even if you flash this, it won't work. As you can see, the phone is now working. This is Infinix x612 Smart HD. Oh yeah,
Sahi ni
subscribe to my
saa
channel
5
please.
tulikuwa